All right, good morning, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. Doing a quick little live stream here in the morning, just doing a little pre-market analysis of what we had happening overnight and what we can see happen during the day. So let's take a peek here. Let me set up my chat just to make sure I can see everyone. And we're just waiting on Mr. Hazed to join us up as well. So let's first of all let's look at our daily thing, right? Let's come here. Let's look at our daily plan, wherever that is hiding. So there's our daily plan, right? Okay. So what did price do over here? What can we determine from this? Okay, Asian session. Okay, London session is looking like this. Okay, so New York session could possibly start a little retrace up, right? We kind of have these two liquidities up top. So it would not be mad or upset. Let me make sure I am streaming in there. Okay. Usually price right there. Right. So we could potentially come back up into the 18,385.50. However, right now the way this hourly is opening, right? 4 hours looking good. 4 hours nice. However, we still have this little liquidity right there. Right? We still have this little liquidity right there. And on the hourly, we kind of have not swept the previous hourly low. So what personally would love to see before we start the real just run up is maybe come down, sweep this low, sweep this previous hourly low, and then we can start our trek back up. Right, we are kind of starting now. We did I did say in our Discord that if our HTF is going above this previous weekly low, then we can possibly still look for that upside to come back up. All right, maybe see if what they want to do here right now is do this little number where they come up, retest the OTE, reject from there. All right, this is on the 5 minute, like maybe over here 705. That I'm liking. My goodness, come up like this. Take that previous hourly, sweep this liquidity, make a little formation like this, and then we can come back up, right? As long as we are kind of staying above this previous weekly low, I think we are very likely to do upside, right? This is our upside scenario in our if then, right? If we come back up, or if we take the previous hourly low and then start to displace back up, then we can look for that upside. Let's see if did we sweep these lows? Oh yeah, we did. That by a little tickle. Let's see if we had anything on the 1 minute over here. The 1 minute. Hey, yeah, we had this fair value gap, right? We swept those liquidities on the 1 minute, and then we had this fair value gap right there. And that right there is holding, so we swept this. So it's still kind of looking a little bit for the upside. So let's see if they do come back up, possibly reject like, yeah, right there would be nice. That 15-minute order block plus that 5 minute, it's like right around that 705 level would be solid. Would not be upset if they came back up into here, rejected from there, sold back down a little bit over here, took this 18067 and then continued on back up. So with that, let's do it like this. Let's do this. All right, we'll have our stop loss right there. We'll have our take profit right here. That's our if then scenario. That's what we will be looking for, possibly going into the New York Open session. Oh, there we go. I was like, I see you're in. I don't know if I can hear you. I can. Hello, Mr. Shade.
Hello.
Mr. Hazed is in the house now, y'all. But yeah, I was just saying that possibly this is a little retrace into OTE here, like that. Something like this, sweep the previous hourly low, and then we continue on back up if we are looking for upside given our little daily whole daily plan, right?
Yep.
So looking at, let's see, let me take a look. Take a gander here, or key levels. Do we have
Take
anything?
a little look. See.
Take a peek. I know we have that upside that we rejected earlier. Nothing big to the downside quite yet, but yeah, right there. And I'm not saying that it can't just like reject off of this 0.5, right? It's just a general idea of like, given that the previous hourly has not swept, we did sweep on the 5 minute, but I'd still love to see that sweep on the hourly. Let's take a look at some cryptos. See, so Jupiter kind of consolidating above that daily. Needs to break these levels right there. Doge is looking strong. If she wants to tap this 200, that'd be sauce. Maybe try to get above that monthly. That'd be real nice. Render is starting to curl back down a little bit with that wick, but that's on the daily, so right, we still have some more upside on that, I think. Good jupe. ICH Doge. Yeah, if Doge can get back above that 164, B6.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah.
Feels good though.
A little brisk, fresh morning. Sheeb. What do we have on Sheeb? Let me put this one on Sheeb. Sheebaroonie. Sheebarooni's breaking above that 200. If we can stay above it, if we can maybe, I wouldn't be upset, retest it, this combination with that order block right there, and then continue up. That'd be nice, right? We did sweep this liquidity, having trouble above it. So we need above that weekly high right there. We need above that, and then we can come up and see those levels right there. That's what we were playing with here, like that. All right. Just a few things that we are looking at. Let's see, what is it doing on the 1 minute? We could try shortening it into there. 5 minute. Sorry, but we'll wait. I've already traded. I'm fucking off on the day. Just.
Jeez, boy's already done.
Yeah. I got this move over here. I was like, okay, I'm done.
Nice.
Yeah. Like, woke up. Hi, Russ.
And rise.
And Rise. Guten Tag, fellas. Yeah, like this 15 minute, the way this fair value gap was holding, then we had this order block right there. Right, overnight was still looking like it won that previous week low. So I was like, okay, maybe a little bit of a late entry, like when I entered over here, like a little bit of a white stop, but I like that previous week low. We got it.
Oh yeah.
What's that for me? Same thing, right? Let's see, actually, what did our 4 hour look like? Let's see, for theory held, right? 2 hour or 2 a.m. candle. Let's throw a fib on it. Without fail. 618. I love it. Look at that. It's a little cool thing I found that was shown to me. The source has brought to my vision of 2 a.m. candle. Take the range of it, right? And then the next 4 hour will retrace into the OTE of it and then reject back down. Kind of like also treating it as a daily, right? You can take this as your daily range, and then on the hourly, take it as like your whatever 15-minute or 4 hour candle, right? Say if we're treating the 4 hours daily, you can take it as like, okay, well, we're retracing into OTE of the previous day and then continuing down. So that's good. I like it. Yeah, damn, that's super solid. I love that. So that's about all I got this morning. Do you guys got anything? Nada.
yet.
Nothing yet. Yeah, it's kind of like, well, could chop around
Like,
today too. I mean, it's, well, no news, so it could theoretically we could like have a nice little expansion without any news interference, unless Mr. Trump is speaking. Unless we're doing something like that.
well, I'm sure he will. Yeah, no, I don't see anything right now. I'm chilling.
Yeah.
I'm excited to go to Moab though.
Oh, I'm fucking pumped for that too. Did you see? Did you see JD Vance?
The people in front of his house.
No. JD Vance met with Pope Francis and then he died.
No.
Yeah. JD Vance, what is it?
He died on Easter.
Yeah, he posted 21 hours ago. Today I met with the Holy Father Pope Francis. I'm grateful for his invitation to meet and I pray for his good health. And then this morning this motherfucker died.
I don't believe in coincidences.
Yeah. And then 4 hours ago, I just learned of passing of Pope Francis. My heart goes out to the millions of Christians all over the
That's
world to
wild.
love them. Insanity. Fucker shook his hand, had something on his hand. JD Vance killed Pope Francis. Conspiracy starts now.
The day after Easter.
Insanity. Dude, we can keep streaming or we can just end it and just talk shit.
Yeah, we can just talk shit.
But thank you guys. That was our little right. This is kind of the outline that we're looking at right now. Not disregarding the fact that I could just go straight up because of the daily outline that we showed earlier. But that's kind of the general thought here that we're looking at. Possible manipulate up a little bit, manipulate down, and then continue up from there. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments. Meow meow, Russ. Why do you have so many kitten ones? Other than that, nice one. And Russ has been banned. Russ is cranking the cream right now, as Benji likes to say. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you later tonight.